Hi everybody, my name is Sophie Alcorn and I'm the founding partner of Alcorn Immigration Law, and this is my wonderful partner Anita Kumrikian. We have some really exciting news to share with you if you are married to a permanent resident.
Yep. A huge shift in the visa bulletin. So those of you who do fall under the F2A category are very well familiarized or familiar with the visa bulletin and what that means for you. But if you don't know and you haven't started your immigration journey yet, essentially what that means is people who are married to lawful permanent residents,
People with green cards who want to get a green card through that marriage.
Typically, those individuals do have to wait for longer processing times for the visa bulletin to become current, which means that a visa, an immigrant visa, also known as a green card, will be available to them.
Okay.
Typically,
in the past, over the last several years, how long of an extra wait have people had in that category?
Anywhere between 2 to 2.5 years.
Okay. And what is the new announcement?
That the visa bulletin is current, so there is not a 2 or a 2.5 year wait. You just have to file that application right away, and you can expect to get your green card depending on where you live. And what local office your case falls under, but anywhere I would say between 1 to 2 years,
instead of 3 to 4 years.
Exactly.
And so so let's break this down into a couple of examples for different groups of people. So if I'm in the US and I'm the foreign spouse and I'm here on an H-1B or an F-1 or some other type of visa, and we've never started this process before, but I'm already married to a permanent resident. He got his green card before we got married from a tech company, and we're just, waiting. We haven't done anything about it. What does this mean for me right now?
This means that you have the ability to file for your green card as the spouse of a green card holder already, and you can expect to get your green card again anywhere between 1 to 2 years.
And when can we file it?
Right now, right away.
And we can do the whole thing right now?
Yes. So
and that means I can get a work permit in like 6 months?
6 to 7 months.
And then I could work for whoever I want or be self-employed?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a little caveat there. You should, if you're an H-1B holder or if you're a student, stay enrolled in school, keep working at that company just to maintain that underlying status, because you need that underlying status. But you can maybe take on a part-time job, something else that you want to do. Or if you're a student, you can work as well as be enrolled in school.
Okay. Wow. So just to put this in perspective, before, if my spouse was going to file the I-130 for me, I would have had to wait until the I-130 got approved, and then maybe a couple years more before I could file the I-485.
Right.
But we can actually just file the I-485 with the work permit and the advanced parole travel permission all at the same time.
All at once.
Right now, this month in July 2019.
Yes, and it's really, really important to make sure that you do it now, because we don't know what August will bring.
Oh, because it could go backwards in August and then it won't be current anymore.
Exactly. So there's always the concern that these visa bulletins retrogress, which would mean that you do have to go back to filing only that first step, the I-130, and then waiting to file the 485, the green card.
Okay. That's so exciting. And then what does it mean for people who already have their I-130 in progress and maybe the spouse is in another country right now waiting? What effect will it have for them?
So that just means you have to keep your eye out and open to getting an email from the National Visa Center, where they notify you that, hey, we've initiated your case with us. Go ahead and start providing us with the rest of the information that we need. So that's what that means if your spouse is abroad. But if your spouse is in the United States, that means that you can now file the next portion of it, the 485.
So even if the I-130 is pending and we haven't filed the I-485 yet, this month we could tack on the I-485 and the work permit and the travel document.
Yes, so we just have to prove that I-130 is pending, and file it, and your case will continue going on, and the I-130 will be adjudicated at the local office with the 485.
Cool. Is this something you can help me with?
Yes, I would love to. These are my favorite types of cases. So contact us if you have any questions. It's a confusing, crazy world out there. So.
And we do this all the time. We help people from all around the world navigate this process, and we do it with a lot of compassion
Absolutely.
and caring for each of our clients. So we would love to help you. If you have any questions, please call us, email us, check us out online. Our phone number is 855-546-0015. You can always email at us, info@alcorn.law, and we would be more than happy to help. Anita, if I want to do this and I want to talk to you to figure out if it's something that will work for my situation, do I have to pay to talk to you?
Nope, I will talk to you for free. Just give me a
Thank
chance.
you.
Give me a call and we can help. We'll help navigate and figure it out together.
Okay, thank you so much. Sophie Alcorn, Anita Kamrikian, Alcorn Immigration Law.
Thank you.